Hello, my friends, and welcome to another exciting episode of Tech Tuesday. For those of you who may not know me, my name is Joshua Haynes. Every Tuesday, I talk about technology to make your life a lot simpler. Today, I'm actually recording using my Logitech webcam. I'm just trying something different. But whether you have an iPhone or an Android device and you use a Roku stick, this video is for you. Today, we're going to be talking about some of the free advanced features using your smartphone with the Roku app. And I promise you, there's a lot of cool things you probably didn't know you had options to do with your TV. So if you're interested in watching today's Tech Tuesday video, stick around. We're about to get into it. Thanks for sticking around. I promise this video is going to be quick and straight to the point. First thing I want you to do is grab your cellular device. Once you grab that, make sure that you are connected to your home internet connection. Whatever that connection is that you're connected with your Roku devices, make sure your cell phone is actually connected to that as well. Once you've done that, head over to your Google Play or your App Store on your phone and search Roku. Once you search Roku, I want you to download that app into your phone and wait for it to download. After downloading, I want you to open that app and make sure you are signed into your Roku account. Whatever the credentials are for your email address and password, put that in right now so that you don't have to ever do it once more. All right, so now I'm going to walk you through some of the cool features that is offered with this app. After you put in your credentials, you can see that in the middle of the screen, there's the Devices tab. Once you have that selected, it's going to show you all your devices that you have connected to your account. So I'm going to connect to the basement Roku TV. And as you can see, as soon as you connect and you select whatever device you want to connect it to, there's a virtual remote using your cellular device. Now, this remote is very quick in response time. It's not a lag. It has a lot of cool features. And if you ever lose your TV remote or your remote has to be replaced and is not working, this is a great way to actually access your TV, access your Roku stick still using your cellular device. With this, you're actually able to do some voice searches. So you can literally just press the voice recognition and as well as give access to that feature. So that it allows your mic to actually be featured. And then it'll tell you when it's listening, and then you can record, and it'll literally just search whatever it is that is being said on your phone. The next cool feature I want to highlight is called the private listening function. So let's say you're in bed, your spouse is sleeping, but you still want to watch TV. If you don't have the remote that has the headphone jack connected so that you could just plug some headphones in and listen to the audio using that feature, you can always use your cell phone in the app. So all you have to do is click the headphone button and then activate the private listening feature and press OK. And then it will, whatever audio or whatever channel you're selected on your TV, the audio will go not to the TV anymore, but stream out of your phone. So the great thing about this feature is the fact that you're not limited to wired headphones. You don't need to have the TV remote next to you to actually listen to the audio, which is another cool feature. But let's say you have AirPods or you have Bluetooth headphones that are connected to your phone. You can sync that. There's no lag when you're doing that. All you need is your cell phone. You don't even have to be in the same room to listen to that audio. So if you do want to go to the restroom or go to the kitchen, but still listen to the audio and know exactly when to pause the TV or whatever you want to do, all you need is your cell phone and it's a Bluetooth headphones, and you'll be always updated with what's being played on your TVs. Another great feature using your cell phone is the fact that it has a keyboard search tab. So you can fully use your keyboard on your cell phone and type whatever you want to search, and then it will literally go to your Roku device, whatever TV you want to be connected to. Well, as promised, that's all I have for you for today. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Thank you so much for watching today's episode of Tech Tuesday. And if you love what you see, every Tuesday I'm posting Tech Tuesday videos on YouTube on this channel. So feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that comment button so that you're able to share this great information to other people that may need it. So thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next week on Tech Tuesday. Stay safe, and I'll see you later.